unboxing the Razer DeathAdder V2 Pro. This has a little bit more premium packaging because it is the Pro series. But let's pop this off. Pull up that nice fabric little tassel right here, little hanger. Very, very elegant for a Pro series product. All right, taking this out, we've got the brown paper box, or brown cardboard box. Cardboard is paper. Jumping inside of this, ooh, and a nice little bag. See, it's a Pro, it's more premium. All right, getting this out of the little bag. Yeah, ooh, I really like that injection molding on the left and right. Although a lot heavier, it feels quite a bit heavier than the V2X Hyperspeed. This is the Pro, this is the Hyperspeed. It feels a little bit heavier, actually not as much heavier as I initially expected, but it really does feel like it's coming from this injection molding, which I think is okay. The difference is less than I initially thought. Both of these are a little bit heavier, although I would not call these heavy mice by any means. Although what I just remembered is this actually has a full battery inside of it. So this is definitely a lighter mouse overall. As this has a battery, if you switch it out for a AAA, it'd probably be even bigger of a difference. Switch this out with a lithium, even bigger. So this is a little bit heavier. However, let's check it out. We've got two buttons right here, which feel okay, honestly. They're a little bit mushy feeling. The scroll wheel has pretty good tactile bumps. I love the feeling of it. The rubber on it's very grippy. Side buttons here, very good. Exactly what I come to expect. And the clicks, the clicks are good. They're good clicks, but at this point, they're nothing quite amazing like what BenQ, Logitech on the G Pro X Superlight 2, that one is amazing, but not as good as this new Viper. This one has very nice clicks. This one feels just not as tactile, not as good. However, that injection molding on the sides is so much more grippy, and I'm a palm gripper, so obviously I should like this mouse, but it feels really good in the hand. It feels very premium and expensive, more so than those other mice. So we have our dongle storage in the bottom right here, its own little spot, which I really do like. That's great. There's a lot going on down here in the bottom. And an interesting design, look at that, a square skate design. I don't know if I've ever seen a square skate design. That is quite interesting. This is pretty standard. This is like what Razer's doing on all their mice now. We've got a few different profiles down here, and we've got our Bluetooth and our 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle, plus the little charging points right there, little metal charging points. So let's turn this on, see if it has a profile right there, and it's got some RGB on the back. That's nice. Yeah, that looks really good. It's nice and bright. It's perfectly diffused. Pretty much what we come to expect from Razer. Overall though, this is a very comfortable mouse. And I love the injection molding on the side. But let's continue on with this. We've got a nice little like signed Razer thing to make it feel more premium. But I think there's some stuff in here. And there is. So this is a dongle extender, but because this is an older mouse, it actually uses micro USB. So that's using a micro USB connection, just because this is an older mouse at this point. However, that also means that it's a pretty good deal financially, which is a good thing. So that's kind of interesting. We've got a Razer's lightweight cable, which is exactly what you'd expect from their Hyperspeed cable. But with that, again, if you want to check it out, there are Amazon links below. But this is a Consumer Tech Review High Speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.